Alright, children. Now, today I'll be teaching you how to change the text case. Now, first of all, I would like to explain you what is a case. In Microsoft Word, a case means uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase means capital letters and lowercase means small letters. Okay? Case means the letters, capital letters and small letters. Now, in Microsoft Word, you can change the text of a case, the case of a text. Okay. Now, how to do that? Again, go to the font group in the go to the home tab. In the home tab, go to the font group. In the font group, you will see this change case button. Okay, you will see this change case button. Now, basically in Microsoft Word, there are 5 types of change case: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. Now, what is sentence case? Sentence case means once a sentence finishes, the first letter of the word will be in capital. Lowercase means all the letters will be in small letters. Uppercase means all the letters will be in capital letters. And capitalize each word means each word, the first letter of each word will be in capital. And toggle case means the first letter will be small and rest all the letters will be in capital. Alright. So now we'll go one by one. Let me show you how it happens. For that, first you need to select the paragraph or the line. Okay, whatever you have typed. Now click on the change case button. We'll go one by one. First, let's do toggle case. Let's see what happens in the toggle case. Toggle case. Did you notice what happened? The first word. Just a minute. Now see what happened. This is the first word. Margins is the first word. Now what has happened? The first letter is small and rest all the letters are in capital. Now in this line, rest all the words are in capital letter. Again in the second sentence, what happened? The first letter is small, rest all the letters are in capital letter. Again, what had happened? The entire line is in capital letters. And in the third sentence, what happened? Again, T is a small, H and E are in capital. And rest all the letters of this particular line are in capital letter. So this is toggle case. Now we'll go one by one. Let's do sentence case. The first letter. Now there's something wrong. There is something wrong in it. Let me type. Computer is a smart machine. It helps us in many ways. Select the line. Go to the case option, toggle case. Capitalize each word. Lowercase. Sentence case. Okay. Lowercase, all the letters are in small letter. Uppercase, all the letters are in capital letters. Then capitalize each word. The first letter of each word is in capital. Then next comes to toggle case. The first letter is small and rest all the letters are in capital letter. So this is toggle case. Okay. I hope children you have understood this topic very well. Thank you children.